Hey guys, this is Dinosaur and today it's day 3 of Inktober. The dinosaur on the list for today is the Brachiosaurus, and I kind of messed up because I thought that the third day of Inktober should have been the Dinosaurus, but then I found out after drawing it and recording it and editing it that it was actually day 4. So now I had to redraw like the day 3 dinosaur that was on the list. But anyways, the Brachiosaurus, and what better pose to draw it in than the first time that we see it in the Jurassic Park movies. So this is the iconic scene where you see your first dinosaur in the whole of Jurassic Park series. And yeah, I think it was like a pretty I've always wanted to draw this pose, but I've never been able to because I just lacked the skill to do so. But today I really thought that I was gonna do it. I thought like, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna make it look decent. And I believe I did just that. I did create the background and everything, but I did it with like a little bit of a cheat code, because in my opinion I've been using those panels lately because it makes it so that you don't have to fill in your whole page anymore. Right, you just have to fill in the panel, and that's the only background that you're gonna have to do, and that's like my best way of working on backgrounds and trying to improve on them while still having the dinosaur and still not putting too much time into your drawings. I mean, it's good to put time into your drawings, but at some point, especially right now for me, I'm doing Inktober and I have to upload a video every single day and I have to edit it every single day. That takes a lot of time that I don't have. So if you can use some cheat codes to be faster, maybe the quality of art is going to be a little less because you're trying to rush a little bit. But with those panels, you actually like make your workspace smaller and still have the same amount of detail and everything that you would have if you didn't use the panels. So that's why I would recommend for people who are struggling with learning how to do backgrounds to start using those panels and just try to like make little tiny drawings of a big scene. Like take a big scene, for example, and make it smaller, and you know, like drawing it like this and practicing this way, because it takes a lot less time. And in my opinion, the more often you draw something, the better you're gonna, like the faster you're gonna learn. So if you're gonna spend a little time on, like a little less time on a drawing so that you can draw it more often, then that's good, because it will make it so that you can improve faster, right? So yeah, but anyways, I think that this drawing is turning out quite well. And yeah, like here you can see the final little montage of like little high quality close-ups and everything. And yeah, so let me know what you think about this drawing and the video in general in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss a single video. This was Dinosaur, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.